Lightweight and portable adapter for connecting a mini DisplayPort, Mini DP or MDP, Thunderbolt 2 port compatible computer to an HDTV, monitor, or projector with VGA. A separate VGA cable, sold separately, is required for this mini display to VGA adapter. Transmits video from computer or tablet to monitor display. Thunderbolt to VGA adapter supports video resolutions up to 1080p, Full HD. Low profile connector does not block adjacent ports on your computer. VGA to Mini DisplayPort adapter has molded strain relief for long life, and has ergonomically designed treads for easy plugging and unplugging. Gold-plated connectors resist corrosion, provide rigidity, and improve the signal performance of this VGA to Thunderbolt adapter. Compatible with Apple MacBook, MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, iMac, Mac Mini, Mac Pro, Microsoft Surface Pro 4, Pro 3, Pro 2, Surface Book, not Surface for Windows RT, ThinkPad X1 Carbon, X230, X240s, L540, T540p, W540, Helix, Dell XPS 13, 14, 15/17, Latitude E7240, E7440, Precision M3800, Alienware 14, 17/18, Acer Aspire R7, S7, V5, V7, Intel NUC, ZenBook, HP Envy 14/17, Google Chromebook Pixel, ZooBook Edge X6, Toshiba Satellite Pro S500, Tecra M11, A11. Top reviews from the United States. The gold standard. Installation was literally a snap. I like the way it doesn't add any additional length to the VGA cable and how it cleanly transitions all the signals to the smaller port. The video displayed perfectly and I am very happy with the resulting image. Could I have purchased a cheaper cable? Sure, but I believe you get what you pay for. Highly recommended.